Greetings. This video clip is going to show you how to copy a Google Doc and use tab resize to take notes. I want you to be able to copy any kind of doc and make it your own. So go ahead and open up the Principles of Government Note-Taking sheet. It should be on your government schedule. It should look something like this. Here's what you're going to do. As we do the slideshow, you're going to answer the questions or fill in the blanks as needed. To make a copy of this document so you can take notes and working on your own, choose make a copy. Do not ask me to share it with you. I'm not sharing it with you because then it would change the original. I am sharing with you because I gave you the link for you to make a copy, but I'm not gonna do the Google Docs move called share. So open up file and choose make a copy. Then put your name in it. I like to get rid of the copy of because I just think that's weak. So George Washington, Principles of Government Note-Taking sheet. Okay, so now you can type on here. Now it's yours. I would recommend getting a government folder going in Google Drive so you don't lose things over the course of the year. All right, next thing you want to do is start, go ahead and make sure you have this extension. It's called Tab Resize. And if you go to Google Web Store, open it, and type in the word Tab Resize, you should see this icon with the arrows going both directions, called Tab Resize. I've downloaded it, so mine says rate it, but if you haven't downloaded it, it should say add to Chrome. Go ahead and click add to Chrome and add it at this time. And go ahead and pause this while it's working and unpause it when it's done. Once you have Tab Resize, go ahead and choose it. I think I like the 2-to-1 version, and then drop the copy of the document you made. What did I call it? I called it George Washington, right? There's George Washington. Then drop it into the bottom. And what I would do is, I'm trying to keep, it kind of is hard. You got to play a game with. This is how my Screencastify tools are coming up. Blocks a little of the screen. So you're going to want to be there, but you're going to want it to be a little smaller. I like 75%. I want to go 90% if your vision isn't as good. Maybe 90% is better. Okay. So as we go along through the slideshow, you're going to respond to each question. So back to the lesson at hand. Now, this is blocking. Always click in here and make it bigger. So now you want to open up the Principles of Government slideshow. When you click it, it should take you to here. And now choose Present. Oh, but wait, that's too big, Smith. What am I supposed to do? That's a good question. Let's click in here. See if we can make it bigger without going too crazy. I think maybe it might be better if we go left to right. So you don't have to get stuck with the view and tab resize. You decide you don't like it. I'm gonna go tab resize now. And this time I'm gonna try, go ahead and if you make your screen too big, hit Control minus. I made my screen too big. Let's try this. I think that's gonna be better, side by side. So to drag these, all you do is left click on here and then throw it to a new tab. I think this is better, so I can see them. I'm going to get rid of this one, so I can go all the way to the bottom, all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to click in here, see if I can, what happens when I make it bigger. That's too much. All right, that's good enough to see. All right, I'll go to the first question. Big question. What is a government and why is it necessary? Some say without government, there would be anarchy. Some say the government is. Do we need government? Why or why not? So go ahead and answer. We'll pause here. Probably discuss things with you as a class, maybe call someone randomly. Yes, we need government because otherwise people would do that. No, we don't need government because government creates this problem or that problem. 2. On number 2, it's asking, what different ways can our American government be classified? Indirect democracy and republic. Those are the same thing. You should type those in here. And you should have had some kind of answer to number 1. The key concepts to our system of government are given. See, sometimes I'm giving you things and sometimes you have to think. Just depends. Those key concepts are limited powers, checks and balances. I'll go through the whole thing. And this time I'll probably lead you through the Google chat because it's the first time doing this. All right. By the time you're done, you should have every blank filled in and have good notes on the basics, the principles of government. And that concludes this slideshow or this screencastify.